My name's Ellie and I'm a performance improvement lead here at Diageo Leven. A typical day in my role, we would review how the performance has been within the production site in the last 24 hours. We would then look forward to see what the next 24 hours is going to look like and then come up with a bit of plan. So my role is all focused around what we can try and do better, what improvements that we can make on the line and how we could try and bring up our efficiencies. What surprised me most about working at Leven was probably I had this notion of what a factory was going to be like. This big, dirty, oily factory, and it is anything but. Good mix of people, a big diverse group, and not the factory environment that I thought a site like this could have been. I went to college, that wasn't quite for me, the classroom-based learning. It didn't really suit how I like to work. So I started not long after school and I started on the apprenticeship programme. So it was a 2-year programme and it was all based on site, so I didn't have to go to college, college came to us. I then moved on to a full-time role as an operator, and then since then I've been 4 years as a performance improvement lead. What I really enjoyed was the coaching and the teaching element. That was always something that I seen within my career path, and that is exactly what my role's all about nowadays. So one of the big skills that I've learnt that's been quite transferable has been the element to be able to coach and how we then bring across sort of conversations and how to try and dig down a wee bit deeper and get to the bottom of a problem and what we can try and do better on something. If you were thinking about applying for a role at Diageo Leven, I would say go for it. I've been here now 8 years and love it.